Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix FPS drops when gaming with the NVIDIA app. So let's get started. If you're experiencing low FPS or stuttering while playing games, there are a few settings you can change that may help improve performance. First, open the NVIDIA control panel. You can do this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting NVIDIA Control Panel, or by searching for it from the Start menu. Once it's open, click Manage 3D Settings in the left sidebar and stay on the Global Settings tab. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Change this setting to Disabled, then click Apply. After that, restart your computer. When your PC boots back up, open the NVIDIA app and go to the Drivers section. If you mainly use your computer for gaming, download and install the latest Game Ready driver. If you use your PC for creative work such as video editing or 3D design, choose the Studio driver instead. Install the latest driver if an update is available. Next, open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Launch the tool, click Clean Up System Files, then scroll down and make sure DirectX Shader Cache is checked. Click OK, then select Delete Files to clear the old shader cache. After the cleanup is complete, open the NVIDIA Control Panel again and return to Manage 3D Settings. Find Shader Cache Size once more and change it from Disabled back to Driver Default. Click Apply, then restart your computer one final time. After your PC restarts, launch your game and check if the FPS drops or stuttering have been resolved. Updating your graphics driver and rebuilding the shader cache can often improve game performance and stability. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.